Hey guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. And today's tutorial we're going to be using this my small material, which I'll be leaving the measurements on the screen for you guys to see. Now to start with, we're going to grab it on the length side and we're going to fold up in two parts like this. You see where I close up, I'm going to close up the other side so it gives us just one strap like this. Then we're going to place this material after folding up from the back of our head and we're going to direct it forward. So you guys are going to just follow the steps. You can see this is very simple, I must say. So you're going to place from the back end. Take one part and roll it around the other gently while you find a way to secure the excess at the side or probably at the back if your whole material is long or longer than mine. Now, what we have to do now after dipping in the excess there, we are left with only one flap at the front, which we're going to be working with. But before then, make sure you adjust unnecessary part before you move to the other side. So here is me working with the last flap of the material. I'm going to stretch it out. Remember, it was folded up into three parts, so it's going to be stretched out and we're going to have it opened up. So after opening up, we have it like this. Then we just gather it like this and direct one angle here down, grab your pin and secure. So after securing this part, what we have to do is use your hand to adjust, very important. Then we go to the other side and just find a way to grab the angle at the other side as well and secure it right there. So if those methods are being done successfully by you, trust me, this wrap is absolutely beautiful to rock to any occasion of your choice. So if you are successful in trying this out, you can try it before your next occasion and you decide if you want to rock it to your next party or not. So this is me trying to secure the second angle down and it was absolutely nice after doing this. So all I have to do now is just to make sure that I adjust all necessary parts, because you tying your wrap and you're not adjusting, it's just like you not doing anything at all. So I try to adjust all adjustables, I touch untouchables, and the final results came out so well. So I want this my middle part, this one that falls at the middle part, to fall at the center, so I'll just use my hand to shift it to fall at the center. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. So I have this as my final result and I love it. And you guys, what do you think about this head wrap? Is it a yes or a no for you to try out for your next occasion? You can see how the backs look like and the front is here. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have learned, do not forget to drop me a nice comment in the comment section, share, subscribe for more simple head wrap tutorials, and I'll see you guys on my next very one. Peace out.